My name is Stefan Droste. I am project manager for Hubert Scharlau GmbH. We make shop fittings for the cosmetics sector. To put it another way, brands ask us to build the furniture for their sales floors in shopping centers and markets. Most of them are based in Germany. Our customers like the fact we appreciate quality, as well as the way we work with them. We have customers like Bayer, whom we've been working with for over 40 years. Of course, we want to become more sustainable. To do that, we examined our processes and came to the conclusion relatively quickly that we could start with the way we use lacquer, and specifically that we could move away from old solvent-based lacquers and switch bit by bit to water-based lacquers instead. More and more customers are looking for that too, and not just with lacquers either. They want other materials to be recycled or climate neutral, or just for products to be sustainable. From time to time, that poses a challenge for us, but it's one we relish, and it helps us to open up new products and acquire new expertise, which we can of course put to use for other customers as well. So we spoke to a number of different manufacturers and listened to their presentations, and Hesse really stood out. We already had a close working relationship with them, and their product was a good fit for us. We were quite ambitious to begin with and wanted to switch everything over immediately, but Hesse advised us to think about maybe starting with the primer. Obviously, it wasn't always easy for our staff to put their years of experience with solvent-based lacquer behind them and to experiment and learn about these new water-based lacquers. But they were very willing to try them out. I think the first contact is really important. The staff need to have a good feeling straight away, so they're not thinking, oh, this is hopeless. It was really super important that the first results were really good too, so that they were receptive to the whole project. So using this primer as the way in, and using it to gather experience early on and build a solid foundation from which to change other processes, was a great recommendation from Hesse. It was the right step to take and a big milestone. The switch to water-based lacquer isn't as big as you might think. The transition has worked out really well for us, and we're really pleased.